Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to video session. So we were discussing the second chapter from history part, socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. From the particular chapter in our previous session, we were discussing about the concept, the February Revolution in Petrograd. Some of the points relating to the February Revolution we discussed, and some points we left to discuss. So in order to make a complete and clear understanding of this concept, so I would like to explain one more time from beginning to till the end. So in the winter month of 1917, Petrograd, one of the important place or city, town in Russia, it was grim. It was mainly created a kind of tension among the people because there was food shortage in the workers' quarters. Petrograd, it is mainly a industrial town, or it is the important place where majority number of workers used to reside. So 22nd February 1917, a lockout took place at a factory where workers from 50 different factories, they joined together to raise sympathy on them. So in this particular movement, woman also participated, and she also took her part and involvement in launching or in creating strikes. So because of active participation and active involvement in this particular event, considering the participation of women, the particular event, it was declared as International Women's Day. So the workers who gathered here to raise the sympathy and to discuss about the lockout made for different factories, without knowing the reason, the government imposed curfew as the quarters of the fashionable area and official buildings were surrounded by the workers. On 24th and 25th February 1917, in order to suppress the movements of workers, the actions of the workers, government called out cavalry and police to keep an eye watch on them, where they can take different movements, different actions. Then on 25th February, the government suspended Duma. Duma means, before this we already discussed, it is consultative parliament or consultative legislature formed. So this government, it was suspended, and the politicians spoke against, or they went with arguing, expressing their opinion about the decision taken and also about the measures. The people were out with force once again. The people from Petrograd, people from different parts of Russia, they now became turned into violent, and they started to express their dissatisfaction, and then they went with taking different means, different methods to express their dissatisfaction. On 27th February, the police headquarters were ransacked. Cavalry was called out again, however, it refused to fire on demonstrators. An officer was shot at the barracks of a regiment, and another regiment mutinied, voting to join the striking workers gathered to form a Soviet or council. This was the Petrograd Soviet. So people in the beginning, they were gathered to raise the sympathy. Now people's views, people's mind turned into violent when different measures imposed on them by the government. And moreover, the intervention of cavalry and police and other regiments, it turned again, it made lot of changes to witness in forming Soviet or council. Then a delegation went to meet the Tsar, military commander, advised him to obitiate. The Tsar obitiated on 22nd March. Then after, a provincial government was formed by the Soviet and Duma leaders to run the country. The people involved were the parliamentarians, workers, women workers, soldiers and military commanders. So then, effects of this February revolution: restrictions on public meetings and associations were completely removed. People got free to form associations, to call, to organize public meetings. And Soviets or councils, unions were set up everywhere around Russia. In individual area factories, factory committees were formed, which began questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. Means now all the productional units, industries, factories, it became must for them to formulate some of the rules, regulations or formalities which they are accepting, following and providing to the workers. Then soldiers committees were formed in the army. Soldier committees, that is the lower level regiment which is having lesser power than the other regiments. So with this, let us end today's session and let us continue the remaining part of the chapter in tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, one and all.